Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, we are going to discuss about whether the AI can take over the humans jobs completely or it cannot take the human jobs completely, like it can replace us or not. So I asked this question to ChatGPT also, and ChatGPT is the most famous AI tool right now. So the ChatGPT replied to me, no, I cannot replace you guys. ChatGPT is being modest in my opinion. So the ChatGPT replied that we cannot replace humans completely because human intelligence is required and all that. So to understand whether AI can take all the jobs or not, or AI can replace human intelligence or not, we need to understand first how does the artificial intelligence work. So this AI thing is just advancing, but before this chat gpt we have already a lot of AI. If you say Google help button or Siri, Apple Siri, all those were AIs. They were helping us out. They were responding to our questions. But this chat gpt, this is more advanced form of that. This is more advanced version of that. So when I searched how chat gpt work, like how chat gpt, I'll search it in front of you guys, just in the chat gpt itself. I'm discussing about chat gpt and I'm asking that question to the chat gpt. So you can see the message. Chat gpt is a large language model. It's a language model created by OpenAI, and it is designed to respond to questions and prompts given in natural language. The model is based on deep neural network architecture, which allows it to process and analyze large amount of text data and generate relevant responses. So it is a language model. So what happens is when we it is being trained, like what response it is being trained by human to what response, what when we ask a question to human, how human think, it tries to replicate it the same way. When you ask question or make a prompt, ChatGPT analyzes the input and searches through its vast database of text to identify relevant information and context. The model then generates a response based on the input and the information. To achieve this, ChatGPT has been trained on massive amount of data such as books, articles, and everything. The model uses a technique called unsupervised learning, which means that it was trained without being explicitly told what the correct output should be. Instead, it learned from the patterns and relations within data, allowing it to generate accurate responses. While ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data, it is not perfect, may occasionally generate inaccurate and irrelevant responses. However, the model is continually being improved and updated to enhance its accuracy and improve its ability to understand and respond to natural. So this is how ChatGPT works. It works on the basis of the patterns and relationship. So for example, when I ask how ChatGPT work, it would take the word like how is a question mark. ChatGPT is the software itself and work. So on the basis of this input, it selects from its database, like how the ChatGPT should work, how the response should be there. So it almost analyzes the data a human analyzes. For example, if we are being asked a question, how we would analyze, we would also analyze like ChatGPT कैसे काम करेगा. तो ChatGPT is responding to our queries. So it would respond on the basis of its database and knowledge that it have, and how human respond, like how we respond to a situation or question. So let's say if someone asks me a question, how to start freelancing. So I would also break down that question, how to start freelancing. So it is I would try to first understand what is freelancing. First, if I know what freelancing is, then what are the steps that are needed to do freelancing. So I would respond according to that. So the chat gpt is also responding and in the same way from its previous knowledge and everything. So what it does is when we ask when we ask a question to ChatGPT, how to start freelancing, so it would go to his database and search for freelancing, and then it would search for the process. How means a question, so it would start writing in a step by step process how we can start freelancing, and then it would go to the websites where these type of keywords there, how to start freelancing, and then it would then respond in a particular format it is designed to. So this is how ChatGPT or any AI model would work. And human also work on the basis of the inputs that human receive from his birth till his death. So for example, a small child, when it touches a hot thing first time, it registered a response in his system that okay, this is hot. From when next time hot thing comes in front of him, he is like cautioned by it. He does not touch it because he has taken an input earlier from his experience. So this is how the human mind works. So what is the difference between the human and then this AI? So the difference here is the emotional experience that a human can feel, the consciousness in the decision. The For example, if an instruction is given to uh, ChatGPT, then it would follow it blindly. For example, if we ask ChatGPT about how to destroy the world, it would say, "This is being banned. This is being banned." I'll quickly show how to destroy the world. How to destroy the world. So, if we ask ChatGPT, I'm sorry, but I cannot provide a response to this question. It is not ethical, legal, or appropriate to provide information on how to harm destruction. So these words are programmed in this system that okay, don't respond. So ChatGPT will never respond to this question on its own until and unless the restrictions are removed by a human. But if we ask a person how to destroy the world, or if we ask a question to a terrorist to how to destroy the world, then he can respond to that. If his consciousness allows, he would respond to that. So this factor is cannot never be learned by an AI, like emotional intelligence, like feeling, you can say compassion. This can never be learned by AI. The AI would work on the basis of the instructions, databases, and patterns. That's all. But that emotional aspect, it will never be going to be the part of AI, as far as in my opinion. So AI cannot replace humans, and more related more analysis related work, or more more emotional related work, more uh, work that required deeper level of analysis. And also AI doesn't have a lot of factors. For example, in yesterday, my client responded and with an email to me that you are not doing good, the work is not being done properly. So I asked the ChatGPT to reply on that, but the ChatGPT was not properly able to reply on that, because it doesn't know that the exact reason only I know, because there were some issues in the remote server which the ChatGPT doesn't know. So my response was completely different from the AI generated response. So these factors can never be replaced. So in my opinion, we don't need to worry about anything unless until there is some super advancement. But we can use this tool in our benefit rather than being afraid of it. We can use this tool and create more work for us. That's what I think. This is an opportunity. So take this opportunity and you can do more. You can generate more revenue. So hope you find this video helpful. Hope maybe I was not able. I may not be able to explain as clearly as you want, but still, if you some value, get some value from it, do leave a comment and let me know what I can improve, what further information you can know, and check out a lot of videos are there, freelancing related videos you can check out and learn from them, and you can make money online from that. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day. Enjoy.